Hello everyone, I am Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATVMC coming at you with the billet race foot peg from Tusk. So without a doubt, one of my favorite aftermarket parts for any motorcycle is upgrading to an oversized foot peg. And that is exactly what you're getting here with these billet race foot pegs coming from Tusk. So the width on these is 2¼ inches and the length is going to be 3¼ inches. So they're going to be much bigger than most of your stock foot pegs that are out there. Now why would you want a bigger foot peg? Well, it's just going to give you a bigger platform. So it's going to offer a lot of grip. The more grip, the more control you're going to have over the bike. And in my opinion, the more control you have, well, the more confident you're going to be as a rider. So these foot pegs are CNC machined from 6061 T6 aluminum, so very high quality aluminum. What's nice about it, it's very, very lightweight, but also very strong. And you can see in the center here, a lot of cutouts. That's really important when it comes to a foot peg. That's gonna help it be really good at self-cleaning. So if you do ride in muddy conditions, you're not gonna get a lot of mud packed inside there. Now the teeth are actually going to be made from stainless steel, and what's great about the teeth is not only do they give really good grip, but they're also replaceable. So over time, if they start to wear out, start to round off a little bit, you can actually just replace the teeth. We have these teeth replacement kits on our website. Now one thing you do want to keep in mind is that if you are replacing the teeth, okay, you're going to need to pick up 2 kits if you're going to replace all the teeth on both foot pegs. But if you want to do just one foot peg, one kit's going to have enough teeth to get that fully replaced. Now when it comes to mounting, very simple to do. It's just going to literally replace your stock foot peg, mount the exact same. If you've never mounted foot pegs before, we actually do have a how-to video where we show you step by step how to get these installed. And there it is. That is the billet race foot peg coming from Tusk. Awesome value, again, oversized, bigger platform, lots of grip, and in my opinion, a lot more confidence. If you guys have any questions about these foot pegs, well, comment below, give us a call, or chat live online. We will get your questions answered. And to pick yours up, you can click on the link or head over to our website at RockyMountainATVMC.com. And remember that foot pegs are machine specific. So when you're picking yours up, you want to make sure you enter the make, the model, and the year of your bike, and you will be good to go. If you guys like this product spotlight, want to see more like it, want to see our buyer's guides or how-to videos, well, make sure to click and subscribe. I'm Chase here at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.